Hello, Paul Hamilton here from UTB. This is a great little activity to get our little learners, I guess, and older learners too, using the camera app, using original photography, and using Keynote. So today we're going to look at textures. And I've got this elephant here, and I thought, what a great idea to look around the garden or the playground or the school grounds and see if I can find a texture that might represent an elephant. So I'm looking for rough, brown, black, maybe old type textures, bumpy or jagged, to actually put onto my elephant. So let's open up the camera app and let's have a look around. So I've got it on photo at the moment, my settings. I'm just looking around my garden. That doesn't look too great. I've got an old palm tree here. That's looking pretty good, but it hasn't got that jagged kind of bumpy feel. Oh, if I look down at the base, here, I've got this beautiful texture on my palm tree, but further down, it's got that really nice bumpy kind of feel. So let's take a photo of that. And I might just take another one. It's always good to show some different textures. I might zoom in a little bit. And I've got that beautiful texture. So when I go back to Keynote now, I can actually tap on my elephant, go up to my paintbrush, I can go to my style, and I can fill my elephant with an image that I just took. And so it's a great way of getting kids to think about photography. There we go there, might use that one. And there you go. We've got this beautiful kind of jagged edge or jagged kind of texture that's rough that suits my elephant going forward. And I could do some more. I could look around for some more. I think I've got another kind of better version down here. This looks a little bit better photo that I've actually taken. And you can see there, I've got that beautiful texture. So that's how to use photography and look for textures and look for key words with our little learners and getting them out and creating and using the multimedia of an iPad. Paul Hamilton here from UTB.